So guys, just picked up another storage box. This time I'm going to use this for the Pilot. It's another good one from Odro. If you guys remember, I've used a lot of their stuff, their floor mats. They make great products here. It's a nice heavy duty collapsible storage box. Should be really good for any vehicle. Good for holding groceries. If you go to the beach, put some beach towels, anything gets sandy in there. It'll save you from having to vacuum your car out. Real nice material here. I like it a lot. Let me go ahead and open this up and I'll show you what you get here. So here's the box itself, and they also give you this separate one. You can put some drinks in there, stays insulated. Really nice. Comes with a zipper. Put some food in there. It's really nice heavy duty nylon here. And here's the box itself. Similar to the last one I reviewed, it does collapse. But I mean, you can see the footprint. It's very small, but then it expands pretty big here. So let me go ahead and expand it and I'll show you. So here it is, fully expanded. As you can see, 3 compartments. The reinforced bottoms here that you put in. Really nice. They have Velcro on the sides here, so you can put little compartments. You can change the size too. Like you can do this, condense one to fit if you need more room, expand it all. Really nice here. I like these things because they're versatile. They don't take a lot of room. You can collapse them down and put them under a seat. But then when you need them, they expand out. And this even has a little zipper here. You can contain it. Really nice here. And if you want, you can also put this, if you wanted, inside this compartment. So it's all contained. So you can have cold drinks, whatever you want. I mean, a lot of uses for this thing. It has pockets on the side. Big pockets here. Has grab handles on it. I like this. It has even these straps here that you connect to it. And you can put it on the hooks in your car that you have, so it won't slide around. Very nice. You just attach it here and then attach the other end to your vehicle. I've never had an issue with this really sliding around though. It stays in place really well. But they give you these if you need it. If you do some more spirited driving, kind of anchor it down there. But nice quality. If you guys are looking for an inexpensive storage box, this is a great one. Like I said, I just put this inside here. You don't have to do this, but it contains it all. If you're limited on space. Really nice. And durable too. This thing will last. So check the link in the description, guys. If you want to pick one of these up, have a coupon code that saves you 20% right now as well. So definitely take advantage of that. And I'll go ahead and put it in the Pilot and I'll show you how it looks. So guys, as you can see here, this thing expands pretty big. Has a lot of space that you could put some stuff in here so it won't roll around. So you know it has those straps. So you just hook them here on the side. And you can tie it off to your car, depending if you have hooks or not. This car has hooks here built in the side here. But like even a cord, I put those little D-rings in. You can hook it to that. But to be honest, this thing has a lot of grip, especially on this mat. It doesn't move anywhere. So when you put stuff in here, it's not going to go anywhere. So I don't even think I would put those on. It does a great job. Like I said, it's perfect. Put all your stuff in. You can use that removable cooler that they gave you too. Like I said, you put it in here if you wanted to keep some drinks cold. Has these little dividers. But then you just take one out and you can customize it, whatever you need. And then you just hook these things back in. So now you have a little bit smaller one, depending on what your needs are. So you just clip these, the clips here, little buckles, and you can do that for each compartment. Like I said, if you don't have to store a lot, then you don't have to have a huge area, but you just flip the bottom up here and these collapse in. So I like the versatility of this. I like how it won't stain if you drop something on it. some liquid, it'll clean right up, which I like. I like the portability of it as well. And like I said, right now you can use this promo code and get 20% off. So it's a real inexpensive way to keep things organized in your car, keep things from rolling around. If you do not run like a cargo tray or something like that, this will protect your carpet for sure. And then you see like right here, very small footprint, like a little mini briefcase. Fits along the side here. Don't know it's there, but then it expands all the way. And something like this in here would be perfect if you're using the third row. If you have the third row up, this will fit right behind it. Because I know with this car, with the third row up, a lot of times if you open the hatch on a hill, things start rolling out. So this will prevent that. It's kind of frustrating when you have a SUV like this and it's smooth, like a flat platform. This will prevent like melons or whatever you guys are carrying rolling right out the back. And then here's the very bottom, has these nice grippy feet. Each compartment has this. So that's what makes it so it doesn't slide around. So if you guys are looking for a great way to store stuff and it's something that you don't have to take up your whole trunk with, this is a great option. Like I said, you can have 1 or 3 compartments out of this. So definitely check them out. Check the link in the description. And like I said, save 20% off any item on their website. And at the same time, help keep your car a little bit cleaner and more organized. So I just want to share that with you really quick. Hope everyone's doing good out there. I appreciate all you guys' support. I do. Any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. And I'll catch you guys next time.